What's up guys, Pixel here for another exciting YouTube video where today, well, it's time for the remake of how to make a Five Nights at Freddy's fan game on Scratch. So, first of all, you're gonna name your project. Guys, you don't have to copy everything I do. You can make your own game. You just, you guys understand. So, I'm just going to do Five Nights at, Five Nights at, I'll just do Five Nights at, Michael's. Five Nights at Michael's. So, Five Nights at Michael's. If you want to be professional, then you can do this and do official like that, but we're gonna leave it like that. Anyways, so let's get started. So what you want to do is first you want to delete the cat, and then you want to click save. Then what you want to do is you want to paint a new sprite. And then make sure it's in vector because vector's the best. So you make it black. You get the square and you make it black, and then you fill it in. Then you set the sprite to 0, and then you change the name of the sprite to main menu, just like that. Then we're going to get some text. You can choose the color of the text, but we're going to select serif as our font, and I'm going to do Five Nights at Michael's. Actually, I'm gonna put it like that. And there, Five Nights at Michael's, and we're just going to put that into place like that. And this is what we've got of our Five Nights at Freddy's fan game so far. Now, after we've done that, you can adjust the size of your text if you want to. So I'm just going to adjust it to that. Maybe a little bit smaller. There we go. Then, what you want to do is you want to put credits. So I'll just do, so basically you're going to write game created by your username or your real name, doesn't really matter. So game created by Pixel, and then you'll have to do original concept by Scott Hawthorne. There, perfect. Now you're just going to put that into there, adjust the size a bit. And boom, this is what you've got of your Five Nights at Freddy's fan game so far. Now, after that, you're going to get some static, okay? So, I'm just going to go to my backpack where I keep all my static. I got some old static. We're gonna name the static because that's what you want to do. Or you can change it to main menu static. So, once you've got that, you make it 0, make sure it covers the entire screen, and what you're gonna do is, when green flag is clicked, show forever next costume, and then set ghost effect to, you can pick whatever ghost effect you want, but genuinely I just do 50 because it's the normal. So when green flag is clicked, set ghost effect to 50, show forever next costume. Now go to main menu and do, when green flag is clicked, show. So this is what we've got of our Fnaf fan game so far. It's already shaping up to look like an average Fnaf fan game, if you know what I'm saying. So now once that you've done that, we're going to make a character. So this is going to be Michael, and I'm just going to quickly make a character, so I'll be right back. Well guys, I finished my animatronic design. This is Michael. His feet look weird, but this is Michael. It's not one of my best ever made models, but I'll just use it for the tutorial anyways. So we're going to name this model Title Animation. So we're going to click the green flag and we're just going to size up Michael as big as he can go. And then we're going to move him into position, which is really cool. Okay, we'll put him down here. Ah, this is great. Move him a bit more to the side. Okay, now that we've done that, you're going to go to your static and you're going to click go to front. And as you can see, Five Nights at Michael's, we got Michael just standing there because he's menacing. Next up, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Michael or your animatronic in general, and you're going to make multiple costumes. So just for this tutorial's sake, I'll make 3 different other costumes. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 costumes. And we're gonna change 3 of the 4 costumes. So for the second costume, I'm gonna tilt the head like that. And I'm going to remove the eye. Actually, I'm gonna get this eye and I'm gonna shrink it all the way down. Put it in the middle. Shrink it a bit more. Perfectly in the middle. Then we're gonna get this one and I'm going to just, carefully turn this like this. This is so dumb. Make this permanently black, but this time we're gonna make it a bit creepy, so I'm just gonna turn this down a bit. I'm gonna have black stuff oozing out of the mouth. You don't have to copy me for this, but this is just what I'll do. So yeah, that's a little bit creepy, get it drooling down there. Yeah, that's just beautiful. We'll get some of it leaking out of this eye here. And we'll also get it leaking out of the eye here. So it looks really creepy. Yeah, just like that. And then for the final costume, I'm just gonna remove this. And I'm just going to make it red. Put a few blood stains here and there. Just a few blood stains. Just a few. Okay, perfect. Now that we've got our 4 different costumes, we're going to go to the code for the animation of your animatronic. And we're going to do, when green flag is clicked, show, switch to costume 1, wait 1 second, forever, forever, wait between 1 and 3 seconds, repeat 5 to 15 times, switch costume, pick random 1 to 4, and then switch to costume 1. So let's restart the project and let's see what happens to Michael. Oh yeah, he's having a little bit of those, flickering Fridays, evil flickering Friday. Yeah, so this is what we've mainly got of our game so far. So we've got the name, we've got a cool static effect, we got credits, and we've got a evil flickering main animatronic animation on the title screen, which is really, really cool. Next, what you're going to do is we're gonna add music. So I'm just gonna quickly make some music, and yeah, I'll be back. So I quickly put a little bit together of some soundtracks and a little bit of editing magic, and I turned me going wow into this. And yeah, that was only a small clip of it, but I'm going to save it and I'm going to upload it to Scratch, and I'm going to use it as my main menu music. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to go to main menu, and you want to get your sound effect for your, for your video. So as you can see up here, I've labeled it as michaelmusic.mp3, so I'm going to quickly upload that. And there we go, a 37-second soundtrack, but it's loud. I'm going to turn that down quickly. And yeah, that's all we genuinely need. So now that we've done that, you're going to go to your main menu, and then when you get to the code that says when green flag is click show, you're going to add forever, play main menu music until done. So now if we start the project, it has everything from before, but it has the main menu music playing over in a infinite loop. So it's very, very good, and it's a very good Fnaf fan game so far. Now that we've done that, we're just going to add a few little bits of spicy details. You don't have to add these, but I'm personally going to add these if you want to make your game good. So first we're going to make some falling bar effects. If you don't know what falling bar effects is, they're like those rectangles that fall. They're like VHS, like VHS stuff. It's basically that. So we're going to add some of those. So I'm just going to quickly make quick VHS effect, and then I'm going to use it, which is going to be very cool. Okay, I've got my VHS effect all done. I don't know what to call it, but I'm just going to call it line if you want to, so you can just call it line. So what you want to do is when green flag is clicked, show, go to 0, and then make the Y at the highest point it can go. So we're just going to keep on doing that till we get to the highest, 200. So I'm going to set it to 0U200. Okay, now that you've done that, you're going to do forever, go glide, I'd say 3 seconds to 0 minus 200. Now, yes, so basically that's what it's going to do. But now, if we copy this and we put the go to 0Y200, if we now play it, look what it does. As you can see, It's going up and down like that, which is really cool. But it's not really, you know, catching your attention. So what you want to do is you're going to do set ghost effect to 50. I'll just say 50 for now. And as you can see, it looks much better and we get a more appealing result, which is really, really cool. Next up, I'm going to make a few more lines, but with a few different effects, and yeah, you guys will see how it will turn out soon. Okay, I've added a few more line effects, and as you can see, it just looks very, very cool. We've got lots of different rectangle effects, which is really cool for a Fnaf fan game. So this is starting to look like a proper HD Fnaf fan game, which is really, really cool. But guys, that's going to be the end of part 1. If you want to see more of this series, then make sure to like the video. If you want to see me playing games, then comment on what games you want me to play in the comments below. And most of all, if you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, then I recommend that you smash that subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss out on any of the new videos that I post, then after you subscribe, you see that little notification bell? Yeah, make sure you ring that notification bell so you'll be notified every time when I upload a new video, which should hopefully be one video every week. I'm trying to start a system where every week I'll upload a video. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the tutorial, then I recommend that you use it, because I'm probably the only person who knows how to code actual animatronic AI in a Five Nights at Freddy's tutorial series on Scratch, which is very funny anyways. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future video or a future tutorial video. Bye!